Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. Today, we will be looking at the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS. Both motherboards offer excellent features at a competitive price point of $219. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. One of the key differences between these two motherboards is the warranty. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users who may want to overclock or push their hardware to the limits. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS offers a 3-year warranty, which is still solid but shorter than its competitor. This aspect may influence your decision if longevity and support are important to you. When it comes to power delivery, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX features a more robust VRM setup, making it ideal for extreme overclocking. Users looking to push their system to the max will appreciate this advantage. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS also has a strong power delivery system, but it may not be as capable for extreme overclocking scenarios. This difference can affect performance under heavy loads. In terms of features, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers extensive RGB customization options, appealing to gamers who want to personalize their builds. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS includes AI noise cancellation, which enhances audio quality during gaming sessions. Depending on your priorities, these features could sway your decision towards one motherboard or the other. Both the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS are excellent choices for building a high-performance PC. The GIGABYTE board stands out with its superior warranty and VRM performance, while the ASUS board offers great value with its AI noise cancellation feature. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.